What would you say if I told you that there's an approach to piano technique that helps total beginners and consummate professionals with the same effectiveness? Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, which is just such an approach. How can it be? Well, we all possess the same hands, the sinews, the flesh, the bones, the nerves, and we all tend to fall into the piano when we're learning to play it, because it seems that you have to push the piano key down, and we were told to relax in order to do that. But if the hand is a mini body, then it stands up and it transforms the simplest melody, but also the most advanced etudes by the great composers.